I already know how I'm coming out tonight. I mean, it's a crime to be this phone. Hey everybody, it's me, Stasia Star. First time here. Welcome. I'm so happy that you could join me. And today I'm gonna be doing a video showing you guys how I apply my wigs. Anybody who knows me or anyone who's on my Instagram, you probably see me wearing multiple different hair colors. So I wear wigs from time to time, and I'm just gonna show you how I apply my wigs. I'm not a wigologist. I'm not a hairstylist. This is just what I do. So I hope you guys appreciate it. So at first, this is my hair. I have it in some braids because I did a braid out today. So I had this cloth, and I'm sorry, I hadn't done my makeup, so I have some powder on my shirt. I had this cloth pillowcase on my hair, basically just to catch, so my hair could dry in that. But we're gonna be putting on a wig cap. Now, if I was actually going to wear this wig out in public, I would wait until my hair was dry, because you don't want to put on a wig cap over wet hair. Like, that will really smell really bad and probably just be really uncomfortable. So I'm just doing this for video purposes. Then I'm going to take it right off. Begin by taking my Eco Styling gel. This is the olive oil gel, and you can use any gel you want. Edge control is better because edge control has more of a hold to it. So I'm just slicking down my edges. Because the wig that I have has a middle part, we're gonna need a middle part. And as you can see, my hair is not parted to the side. So usually I would do like 2 French braids, but seeing as how my hair is already kind of thin right now, I can just have these 2 braids and this little braid in the back, and it will all fit under the wig cap. For the wig that I'm going to be using, this is a synthetic wig. It is by JOEDIR. It is the JOEDIR 26 inches big curly wavy free part lace frontal wig with baby hair. So it's not real human hair, but $49.99. Came with a few things. It came in a wig cap, and it came with this little thing you can put around your hair to slick down your edges. So I think that's pretty cute, and it came with the wig cap, so that's nice. It comes with everything you need. Like, who can argue with that? In the color Ombre brown. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the wig cap that it came with, and as you can see, I've already worn this wig cap, so it has some of my foundation on it. I've only worn it like 1 time, but for purposes of the video, we'll just like put it on our head for you guys to see. All the hair under, we're gonna go and take the wig cap and making sure everything is tucked in, and we want to just have a little bit of our hair coming out. Now this is why I will say that for this type of purpose, I love edge control better, because edge control will just keep your hair slick, but we also have this freeze spray by Got To Be, so that is going to help hair stay down as well. So we're just going to let that get a little bit tacky, let that get a little sticky, let that stay. This is the center part. It is a lace wig. And in here, since the last time I worn it, so it looks a little bit matted, but when you first get it, it is a really nice wig. It wears out of it, and so it's inexpensive. It's a cute little wig to have. So it comes with this clip, and it comes with the adjustable pieces in the back. So I just go ahead and adjust it towards my liking, because I have a small head, so I like my wigs to be tight, as everyone should. You don't want your wigs to be all extra loose on you, like that's mad crazy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on, and just bringing this up here. And I already cut the lace to align my hairline, because like I said, I've worn this before. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take the clips that are inside of the wig and put them under my hair, under the cap. And this is just securing the wig, which is what you want to do. Okay. And now this is why I wanted to leave a little bit of hair out. We're just leaving that small part out. So now, as you can see, you're not going anywhere looking like this. So you want to comb it. We're gonna go ahead and style the wig. So I'm just gonna start, I like to do each side at a time. So I'm just gonna take this hair, section it off with a scrunchie and comb it out again. And I think I'll wash this wig like one time. I haven't worn it that many times. So take a curling iron and I'm gonna start to curl. Difference, like it looks much more better now. And we're just gonna go ahead and do the other side. And I like to just take these, apply it out. And then last but not least, we're just gonna take a little bit of our foundation, whatever you use for your foundation. I'm gonna take a little brush like this and literally just take like the top and that and just put a little bit of foundation here. And the next thing I like to do is I like to take my eyebrow palette and I'll take the brown in the palette and take that same brush that we use for the foundation and just go over and clean. And guys, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much how I would style and rock a synthetic wig. This is pissing me off, so we're gonna cut this. Okay guys, so that is it. The wig has been curled. This is how I apply and style my synthetic wigs. Once again, this is the JOEDIR 26 inches big wavy free part lace frontal wig. I will include the link caption and description. It was $49.99. I got it from Amazon on Amazon Prime. So I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. It is very soft. Like I said, it does take well to heat, and it's a cute little, you know, change up for me since you guys know I'm typically rocking my big red hair. Way more videos. Hope you guys like this one. Any questions, shoot me a DM, shoot me a message. Stay bossed up, stay glam, stay poppin', stay blessed, and always stay fabulous. It's your girl, Stasia Star.